Hey everyone, I am trying something new this week. I've never done this. Let's look at my Aldi shopping haul. Every week I'm there shopping while I'm doing my videos. So let's take a look at what I buy for my family of six with four boys that are over 20 years old, very hungry, and let's see what I get because I know all the good stuff. We're getting the pizza cookie. I needed to get some garlic. I love these stuffed mushrooms, and I'm putting the prices if you're not able to see it. We're getting some bananas for my son, getting some of the apple cider donuts because it just makes me feel like it's officially fall. Maybe not really officially, but close enough. We're getting the raisin cinnamon bread. It is so good. The Italian loaf is one of my favorites, that or the sourdough. The pretzels filled with the peanut butter are so yummy. The Swiss rolls, I can't resist. They are either identical to the name brand or better. They are that good. We're going to get some salsa. I like the restaurant style. And I'm going to give this a try. I haven't had these before, but I am pretty sure I will probably love them. Getting some crackers. These are exactly like that name brand. They are just as good, if not better. I use them all the time. I use them in a couple of my recipes, so I'm going to get 2 boxes. Getting the chicken noodle soup. My husband loves that. And getting this green smoothie. It's really yummy. Getting some Parmesan cheese now that I am shredding my own. This is a great price on the Parmesan cheese. Getting the cranberry white cheddar. Can't resist that. Getting some of the mild cheddar for a few recipes. And again, like I said, I've been shredding my own. Aldi has the best prices on the cheese. So let's get some mozzarella cheese. I'm constantly using that. Get 2 of those. We'll get a box of this Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. And 2 cans of the fried apples. I'm working on a couple of recipes, so keep an eye out for those. So let's get a box of the classic yellow cake mix and a container of the broth. We'll get 2 cans of the cream of chicken. I like their organic, the tomato and basil, or just the regular, but the organic, you can't beat the price. It's so good. The Hawaiian stuffing is my favorite, so I'm still stocking up a little bit on that. This salted caramel apple spread that I probably will use in one of my recipe ideas that I have. The Raisin Bran cereal, that to me is better than the main brand. We absolutely love it. The rotisserie chicken, the pre-shredded or ready, that is a great deal. So I'm going to get 2 containers of that. This Pots to Cream, coffee Pots to Cream, I will be trying that out. Getting 2 packages of the ground beef. They usually have the 80/20. This is the 93/7. So it's a little bit pricier than normal, but that's fine. I'm happy to get the organic. This tenderloin is $2.99 per pound. So again, we're a family of 6, so I'm going to grab 3 of those. This is my favorite iced tea. I absolutely love this peach tea. And I told you guys that Dolly was a great deal. My husband agreed, and we got that this week. These I am putting aside for holiday gifts. We're getting 2 of these block skulls. 1 of the LED ghosts, ones with the 3 small ghosts in the pack. They are so cute. We needed some milk. And those street corn dippers my husband had snuck in. Getting 2 packs of the frozen mixed vegetables. 2 bags of the country style french fries. all of Aldi's French fries, and their hash browns are really good. We're getting 2 bags of the Halloween candy and paper towels. They had not had them the last few weeks. So I was in a little panic. I was going to have to buy Bounty. I have not bought Bounty since I've been using the Aldi brand. They are just as good. They are so great. So here we are. Guess the total. Here's a little sneak peek again of everything we had. I gave you the prices. I'm curious to see who will come closest. And let me know what you guys think of it. This is something new. Probably won't be weekly, but I'm really curious to hear if you liked it. Thanks so much. Give me all the likes, love, comments, whatever you can. I appreciate it. And I'll see you soon.